everyone, I am Babita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about only one technique which can improve your English fluency and which can make you fluent and confident English speaker. But you have to work on this technique from today, from now. So without wasting time, let's begin the video. Before sharing my one technique with you all, you have to focus about few things. Few things are, firstly, you will have to believe in yourself and you have to keep patience before speaking English fluently and confidently. Because I understand, guys, and I 100% know you cannot become fluent in English speaking in a day. But one day, I'm sure you can become fluent and confident English speaker. So, before using one technique, you have to focus how to work on one technique, which is most important and which I am going to talk about. Guys, I'm sure and I'm 100% right. This one technique can really help you to improve your English fluency very easily and very well within 1 month. But you have to work on this technique every day continuously. After that, you will get result very soon and outcome will definitely come in front of you, and you would say yes, I got result very good whatever I did. Okay, so let's see what is my one technique. Guys, if you would say this one technique is really very powerful, is really very wonderful, very amazing, yes, so I can say this is very powerful technique. If you use this technique every day and if you follow this technique every day, so you can 100% speak English fluently and confidently, and no one can stop you from speaking English. So you don't stop to speak English fluently and confidently. But if you are trying to speak English fluently and confidently, so you can add this technique and you can use this technique and you can improve your English fluency by using this technique. This technique is very simple. Everyone can use this technique very easily and very well. Okay, there is no doubt. And I can say this is very appropriate technique that everyone can use this technique, that uh, everyone can follow this technique. So if everyone can follow this technique, so of course you can also use this technique for English speaking, for English fluency. Well, so let's see what is my one technique. My one technique is just a minute. Just a minute means jam. J for just, A for a, M for minute. Jam. Just a minute. Jam technique. Jam technique is not wonderful technique. But yes, guys, this has a lots of power. This can improve your English fluency very easily and very well within 1 month. If you work on this technique every day, means without wasting time continuously, so sure you can improve your English fluency within 1 month. Well, this is very appropriate technique. By using this, you can improve your English fluency very easily and very well within 1 month. So you don't forget to use this technique every day. Just a minute. Jam means just a minute. These are only three words. Just, J for just, A for a, M for minute. Just a minute. It means that when you get time, you try to speak English. It does not matter what you know. It only does matter you are speaking. So, when you get time, if you are sleeping, you try to speak English. While improving English fluency, you have to speak aloud. If you are speaking English, if you are improving English fluency, you don't have to use any copy, paper, pen, pencil. Well, you just speak English. It does not matter what are you speaking. It only does matter you are speaking. Okay, so this is very essential technique for you all if you want to improve your English fluency. So I hope you have understood about just a minute means jam technique. Jam technique is very simple and very interesting, fantastic technique. Well, so if you work on this technique every day, so, of course, you can speak English, sure. There is no doubt. You can get result very soon. But before improving your English fluency, you have to determine that I have to improve my English fluency. So, sure, you can improve your English fluency and you can become fluent English speaker, and along with it, you can become confident English speaker. But you will have to build in yourself before improving English fluency. Confidence and patience are the most powerful thing which can make us strong. You don't forget to become confident and patient person. I'm going to discuss about on few points you want to improve your English fluency. So firstly, you have to do one thing, which is you don't have to use any paper or copy. Okay, and second is you don't have to write any word on your notebook, and third is you don't have to repeat whatever you speak in English, and fourth is you have to just speak English whatever you know. It means that I told you 4 points. These are related to jam technique. These can really help you to improve your English fluency very easily and very well. Mostly people speak English fluently and confidently. How do they speak English fluently and confidently? It means that they used any trick or techniques. They used any trick or technique. They followed any way, any easy way or any difficult way. And they use any method. Guys, overall, if you have determined that I have to speak English fluently and confidently, so sure you can improve your English fluency, and along with it you can speak English fluently and confidently. No one can stop you from speaking English. If you are speaking English, at that time you don't think I'm speaking wrong or right. It does not matter. At that time you just think, am I speaking fast or slow? You have to just think about your speaking speed. Speaking speed is called fluency. Means बोलने की जो गति है उसी को fluency कहते हैं. Okay? You repeat all those words of English whatever you speak. If you do this so you don't do this. This is not good. And you have to quit this habit. This is not good habit. Because if you repeat all those words, whatever you speak, so how can you improve your English fluency and how can you become fluent and confident English speaker? Okay? It means that if you repeat all those words, whatever you speak, so you cannot go forward and you cannot speak next word. So I hope you have understood about how to improve English speaking by using jam technique. If you have understood about how to use jam technique very well, so you don't forget to like, share, subscribe and do comment me. Thanks for watching.